Hi and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a crispy baked chicken wings recipe. That's right, homemade baked chicken wings. Surprisingly easy to make on that crispiness and saltiness that we know and love. The recipe will be here. You can screenshot that or look in the description box below. Start out by cleaning and patting your wings dry. Then toss the wings in the flour and baking powder mixture and go ahead and place that in the refrigerator to chill for at least 1 hour up to 2 hours. Preheat your oven after it's chilled for an hour to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 230 degrees Celsius. And then line your baking sheet with aluminum foil and a wire rack. The wire rack helps the air move all the way around and get those wings nice and crispy. Now, once you place on the wire rack, you want to really understand why we're using flour and baking powder and not salt. Salt draws out moisture, and you don't want to do that. You don't want to go ahead and get a soggy wing. No, we want to get that crispy, tasty wing. So that baking powder, and flour mixture is the key. Drizzle olive oil all over here. You don't have to be too liberal with this. Just a little bit coating on each one is just fine. And make sure to get that kind of all over the place, and then bake it for 35 minutes on this side before you remove it, flip it, and bake the other side. So going back to the baking powder and the flour mixture, that is going to draw out all the moisture once you place it in the refrigerator from the chicken and give it that dry, crispy skin that we want and love. So that's the technique there. Chilling and using baking powder and flour. Coat the other side with olive oil and bake for another 25 minutes for a golden, crispy, homemade chicken wing. You want to sprinkle salt and flip over and sprinkle salt on the other side. This is where you can, if you like, season with any type of seasoning you want. You can just toss it in a bowl and maybe add a little bit of sauce, such as barbecue sauce or buffalo sauce. Sky's the limit here with your creativity, but for us, we like to keep it plain and simple. The kiddos really like this recipe just as it is, and I do too. It's a novelty for any night of the week, but especially really good on game days. Chicken wings usually are something you get at a restaurant, so getting it at home, it's a win-win for me. As you can see here, I made buffalo sauce for me to dip in because that's my favorite, so I get a treat as well. Nice, crispy, light, flaky, homemade wings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for this video and new videos every Monday. And if you do make it, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Thanks, I'll see you next week. Bye for now.